Skincare routine for kids. Best remedy for kids to get glowing and fair skin. This remedy is specially for my two little fans Shane Fatima and Areen. Ingredients: fresh dairy milk ½ cup, fresh rose petals 1 flower, organic honey ½ teaspoon. Instruction: do not use canned milk for this remedy, but use fresh dairy milk. Let's start skincare remedy for kids. ½ cup fresh dairy milk, 1 rose flowers petals, fresh. ½ teaspoon organic honey. Mix well. Put this in the spray bottle and spray on face twice a day daily. After 3 to 4 minutes, wash it off with any baby face wash. List of some organic sunscreens for kids. List of some organic face wash for kids.
Thank you for watching. For more videos keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.
وتصفو الحياة